What's up guys, and welcome back to today's video. Welcome to another unboxing video. I hope you're all doing well. In this one I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox Young Beauty mystery box for the month of November, and I bought this one for €60 and this was going on sale around the Black Friday week. So yeah, I picked one straight away because I really wanted to see what they have in these boxes. So here's how the packaging looks like. It comes in this packaging, and that's how the back looks like. So let's go ahead and have a look. Straight away we can see we have what is it, a magazine, or you know, that tells us what we have in there, and opening that out. All right, so yeah, we do have the it says Sweet Winter, just a card there. So behind this, of course, we do have all the product that I can see already we have in this box. So that is that, and everything of course in here, lovely packaged. Right, let's open that and have a look. Oh, okay, I see. First thing I see here is a lip gloss. It says my one and only. It is of course Metal Magic lip gloss, which looks like this. The color looks very interesting. Okay, what information do we get from this one? So it is a lip gloss, of course, and the shade Sparkle, that's the shade name, and this one retails for €3.95. So yeah, that is that. Let's just swatch it, and oh, smells very lovely. That smells beautiful. Okay. Oh, the color looks very interesting from the packaging. It looks almost different. It's almost like not the same color, but yeah, that's how the color looks like. I'm not mad at this color, doesn't look too bad. Okay, so that's the first product we get. I really love the smell. And next up we have a product from May Beauty, and this one is called the Incredible Pore Strip with Charcoal, and this one removes blackheads, which is of course this product here. So we are getting two strips in here, and this one retails for, so this one retails for €4, just for two strips in there. Okay, all right. So I do have blackheads, and you know, we'll give this one a try. I'm not sure how, you know, they are going to work, but you know, we'll give them a try. So that is the second product that we have in there, and let's move on to find out what else we have next. So next up, oh, we get a blending brush, which is this one here. Okay, this is cool. So we get a blending brush. What does it say here? It says hashtag me by Pasa. Okay, let's quickly open it and see. Oops. Come out from there. Okay, that's not okay. So this is how the brush looks like, and it feels all right, I guess. I'm not sure. I have to, you know, to use it and see how it performs on the eyes, but it feels quite nice and soft. So that is that, and that is a blending brush, of course. Yeah, and this one retails for €2.99 for this product here. So yeah, that would be, you know, nice an addition family to my brushes. So that is that, and the color looks beautiful. We do get this, like, you know, purple-ish kind of blue, you know, dark blue and light blue going on here. So the color looks interesting. I don't have anything with this color in my brush collection. I believe they're all pink or black, so this is quite nice to, you know, to add to that. And yeah, all right, what else do we have here? Okay, I see a product. Oh, okay, this one is from Miss Lynn. It is this product right here. So this one is the chocolate brow duo eyebrow powder, and let's get it open. Oh, okay, so we do get two different shades in here. Looking at that, you can see, oops, So we have the more like a dark brown and light brown as well, and then we also get this brush that I never really use. Do you guys use these mini tiny, you know, brushes for your eyebrows? I mean, I don't reach for those. And then we get a quite nice tiny, you know, tiny mirror here as well. So that is cool, but I'm not sure if the colors will be very useful for my brows though, because they look slightly lighter. And what shade is this supposed to be? So this one is light to medium. Yeah, if it was like medium to dark, that would work better, but this one is light to medium, and they just look way light for, you know, for what I usually use. So yeah, this I don't think I'll get use of this much. But yeah, that was that. And this one retails for €7.95, and we are getting 5 grams of product in here. So yeah, and I mean, the size is quite cute, you know, handy for your, you know, for your handbag, or I don't know, pocket or something like that. So travel, you know, friendly. But yeah, that is that product there. It's just that I don't think I'll get use of that anyway. Let's find out next what we have in here. So we have a mask, 2-in-1. Okay, so we have this mouth masking from Sharben, that's how you pronounce it. So it is this mask over here. So I got 2 of those. Looks like one, but it's actually 2. When you rip it off, you get 2 of those. So that is that. And this one here, I have used this before in the past, but I don't think that I noticed any difference, you know. But this is supposed to what? Supposed to you know, supposed to prevent blemishes, supposed to reduce skin shine as well, but I don't think that I saw any results from using this. But yeah, that is that. 2 masks we are getting there included. And do we get a price for this one as well? So we don't have any price for this, so this is just something that's of course just included in the box. So yeah. Alright, and last product we get is something that I think I'm going to get use of, and this one is Palmolive Luminous Oil, you know, hand soap, which looks like this. So that's what we are getting. This, I'll get use of this. I'll definitely use this this hand soap. And the smell, oh, that smells delicious. That smells nice. Okay, already. So this smells nice, and it is with macadamia oil as well. So yeah, that's lovely that we get this one in here. And this one is 250 ml of product in here. So yeah, and this one retails for €1.99 for this particular product. And I think that is pretty much everything that we get from this you know, Glossybox Young Beauty Mystery Box. That is pretty much all. And then we also get this, oh, I haven't seen this one. So it's more like what, a voucher kind of, you can use for online, you know, online shopping. You know, if you want to buy some muesli online or something like that, you know, you can shop. So they have included that in there. So yeah, I do eat muesli. Do you guys eat? I mean, I do. I do have them for breakfast. Sometimes, not, you know, not every day, but sometimes I do have them for breakfast with fruits, like the way they're showing here with fruits, and it's quite yummy. But yeah, so that is that. Alright everyone, so that was everything that was included in this box. Of course, what do you guys think of this box? Let me know down in the comment section below. But yeah, this is everything here. You can see the cards say them all. I already showed them all. But yeah, that is that. Now, this box does not really excite me compared to my other, you know, Glossybox unboxing that I've done in the past. This one, it's, yeah, it's doesn't really wow me a lot. I think because of the product range that they have included in this box, they are not really, you know, makes me like, you know, like when I jump on my seat and dance. They don't do that at all. I mean, yeah, I will get, you know, I will use the lip gloss and I will use the hand soap, but you know what I mean? I mean, it is affordable box, but yeah, I don't know what I was expecting. But yeah, this does not wow me at all. But you know, we've got some product there. We'll try to use them. And yeah, let me know in the comment section below what do you think of this box. You guys, are you thinking of picking it for €6? If they're still available, of course, that is. Yeah, so that was that, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate that more than you know. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Lots of love. Go have a good one, and don't forget to check out my other Glossybox unboxing videos. I'm going to link them down below so you can go check those one out. And yeah, lots of love, you guys. Take care, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye for now.